AI altcoins have been in the spotlight recently, with traders and analysts closely monitoring how capital is shifting between different assets. One of the most notable movements has been the rotation of capital from NEAR into FET. This shift is gaining attention as FET has already begun to experience a steady price increase. Over the past month, the crypto community has seen a wave of activity where certain altcoins have reclaimed higher price ranges, sparking bullish expectations for an upcoming alt season. Assets like FET, NEAR, and XLM have all seen their prices rise steadily, and analysts are hopeful that this trend will continue. Analysts have pointed to the AI altcoin space as particularly promising, especially as FET is now attracting attention following the capital rotation from NEAR. NEAR itself had a significant run in the previous month, with its price nearly doubling. This surge was attributed to the progress made by the NEAR protocol in integrating AI and privacy technologies into its ecosystem. As a result, NEAR's price saw a sharp upward movement, reaching a new high of $20. However, this momentum has recently begun to slow down, raising questions about whether NEAR can maintain its bullish trajectory. Some analysts remain optimistic that most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. NEAR could reach $50, but with the current slowdown in price movement, this outcome is uncertain. Meanwhile, traders are beginning to shift their focus to FET. One trader, for example, has closed his remaining NEAR position and moved part of that capital into FET. He has also expressed interest in the thesis behind FET, noting that while the market is still heavily focused on AI applications, FET appears to be gaining traction. The price of FET has already been rising steadily, and this shift in trader activity suggests that FET could be on the verge of a more significant move. The movement from NEAR to FET is part of a broader trend where traders are rotating capital into altcoins that show strong fundamentals and a clear AI-related use case. As NEAR's price momentum slows, the question remains whether FET can sustain its upward movement and whether AI altcoins as a whole will continue to attract investor attention. One of the key mechanisms at play here is the behavior of traders who are actively reallocating capital in response to market conditions. When an asset like NEAR reaches a peak and begins to lose momentum, traders often look for the next potential winner. In this case, FET is being considered as a viable alternative. The stakes are high because the altcoin market is highly competitive, and the performance of one asset can significantly impact the performance of others. If FET continues to rise while NEAR struggles, it could signal a broader shift in capital toward AA-focused altcoins. Conversely, if NEAR can stabilize and begin moving upward again, it could indicate renewed interest in the broader altcoin market. The next key signal to watch will be whether FET's price can hold above its recent support levels and whether NEAR can regain its upward momentum. If most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. FET continues to outperform and NEAR struggles to maintain its gains. It could indicate a broader shift in capital toward AA-focused altcoins. Conversely, if NEAR can stabilize and begin moving upward again, it could signal renewed interest in the broader altcoin market. The movement of capital between NEAR and FET is just one example of how traders are responding to market conditions and looking for opportunities in the AI altcoin space. As always, the crypto market remains highly dynamic, and the next few weeks will be crucial in determining the direction of AI altcoins and whether the broader alt season will gain momentum.